Do you know there is one tech career that doesn't require coding experience but can help you earn from 6 LPA to 20 LPA. All you can and you can also work from home and from anywhere in the world. It's Salesforce. If you haven't heard about Salesforce, today you are going to discover biggest career opportunity of this decade. Hello and welcome back to Long Switch Academy. This is your host Shubham. Today we are going to talk about an important topic, how you can start your career in Salesforce in 2025. Whether you are a student, a fresher or someone who is trying to switch their career, today we are going to talk about a path that really works and can help you switch or transition your career into Salesforce ecosystem. So stay tuned till the very end. If you haven't subscribed to Long Switch Academy yet, do subscribe to it now, share it with your friends, and if you want to support us monetarily, do send your contribution to us. So let's begin. Before we start, let's talk about what is Salesforce. Consider this as a CRM, like cloud-based CRM software which helps companies manage their customers, sales or marketing all at one place. This CRM system has been adopted by millions of businesses across the globe, ranging from small scale businesses to big enterprise level clients. And to name a few top notch MNCs who uses Salesforce, we can name Google, Meta and so on. So therefore all the Salesforce professionals are always used in demand. So it is the best bet that you can take on your career if you are planning a switch for yourself. Secondly, let's talk about how you can transition your career into Salesforce. Basically, there are two entry paths. One, Salesforce administrator. Second, Salesforce developer. We will talk about briefly about each one of them so that you can decide which path excites you more or which is more suitable according to your skills and interests. Let's first talk about Salesforce administrator. Salesforce administrator is someone who works on the automation, who works with users or managing data, or who works on point and click tools within the Salesforce ecosystem or within the Salesforce platform. So if you are someone who is not into coding and looking for no coding roles, then Salesforce administrator role is for you. Then second part is Salesforce developer. Salesforce developer is someone who customizes Salesforce platform according to the requirements with the help of Salesforce's own programming languages such as Apex, like Lightning Web Components or Visual Force Pages. So if you are someone who has coding experience or passionate about learning coding, then Salesforce development is for you. After that, after you decide which path is for you, you might be wondering how you can learn more about these paths or how you can gain more skills relevant to these roles. Then I'm delighted to share this information with you that you don't have to pay any money to anyone to learn these skills. Salesforce provides free learning platform called Trailhead. They have designed their modules specific to each role and specific skill set. So if you have decided a path for you, you can go to Trailhead, find the relevant modules for your role and start learning. That is too for free. Along with the learning, you should also aim for joining some communities that have the same interest as you, so that you can learn more about this platform or your specific role, and you can gain more practical experience. Then third and most important thing, you just don't learn, try implementing the concepts or the skills that you are acquiring over the period of time with the help of Salesforce developer org. Salesforce provides playground or a developer org where you can practice on your skills, or you can build up applications or small projects just to demonstrate your skills. Because always remember, if you have something to show practically to your future recruiters or future job providers, then it will definitely give you an edge over other candidates. Trust me, if you are serious, and if you put dedicated efforts into your Salesforce learning journey, you will definitely thank yourself in, let's say, next 6 months or 1 year, and it will definitely change your life. Apart from this learning, always aim for creating some small project such as expense tracker or employee management system, just to demonstrate the true understanding of your skills, and that will say a lot about you for your in front of your future future recruiters. Along with that, I would also like to add one more thing. Don't just mug up things, try understanding concepts. If you are unclear about something, do read about it, do read the discussions that are going on around that particular topic over the on internet, or on online groups or communities. That will definitely help you understand the concepts better. Just don't try to memorize everything. Along with that, I would also say start small but be consistent. If you consistently make efforts towards learning the skills required for your role, you will definitely see a transition in yourself within the 6 months or 1 year, depending on your ability to learn about the platform. So I bet you that if you are serious and if you have the skills, definitely this ecosystem reward you with best of the opportunities for your career. If you like the tips or the information that I have shared in this video, do let us know in the comment section below. And if you want the detailed roadmap created for each of the paths, let's say Salesforce administrator or the Salesforce developer, write in the comment yes Salesforce. So we'll come up with a detailed roadmap on each of these paths. Along with that, apart from that, if you have any more questions, any suggestions or any queries, do feel free to use the comment section below. And with this, I would like to conclude this video. I hope you find you must have found this video helpful, and we tried adding some value to your wealth of knowledge. Until next time, this is your host Shubham bidding you a goodbye. Take care. Do subscribe to Longswitch Academy, share it with your friends, and if you want, you can also share some contribution to our efforts so that we can continue to provide this free tech education to all the Salesforce enthusiasts like you. Thank you very much.